Welcome to Kids Art Channel.
If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hey kids, let's draw a delicious fruit bowl. Fill it with your favorite fruits, like apples, bananas, grapes, and more.
Cool. Fabulous. Fabulous. Whoa. Whoa. Bravo. Cool. Awesome. Whoa. Whoa.
I hope kids you enjoyed it. See you next time. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.